Understanding shade of orange, a colorful exploration. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the colorful world of English phrases, focusing on shade of orange. This phrase is not just about color, but it's a beautiful example of how English language enriches our understanding of the world around us. Let's explore this phrase together and add a splash of color to our English learning journey. When we say shade of orange, we are talking about a specific variation of the color orange. The word shade in this context means a variation or a different form of a basic color. Just like when you're under a tree, and the tree provides a shade or a slightly darker area, in color terminology, a shade can refer to a darker or lighter version of a basic color. Orange, being a vibrant and dynamic color, has many shades, from bright, fiery tones to soft, peachy hues. Describing colors in English is not just about naming them. It's about conveying feelings, creating images, and sharing experiences. When we talk about different shades of a color, we are being more descriptive and precise. For example, the phrase, "a sunset shade of orange," not only tells us about the color but also evokes an image of an evening sky. This richness in description is what makes learning English phrases so interesting and useful. 1. Descriptive writing. The walls were painted a warm shade of orange, reminding her of autumn leaves. 2. In comparisons, his shirt was not just orange. It was a shade of orange similar to a ripe tangerine. 3. In expressive speech. I want the theme of the party to feel joyful. Maybe something in a bright shade of orange. I hope this exploration of the phrase, shade of orange, has added some color to your English learning. Remember, language is not just about words, but the images and feelings those words can create. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be painting vivid pictures with your words. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.